Hi everybody, this is Daryl from Honeydew Men coming at you live with another video. I know it's a little late, it's getting a little dark, just try to bear with me. A couple things here, we have a chimney leak, so we come up on the roof. We check out the chimney leak, and one thing I noticed, we have a pipe right there, too close to what we think the problem, so we need to check that out. Also notice there's a pipe right down here. Number one, aluminum tinfoil, yeah, not meant to be used for, fixing pipes. Second, always check the things closest. You'll find here that, well, once I adjust the exposure, you'll find that that pipe's got a little crack in it. And then as for the chimney, well, not much different than the last chimney I think I showed everybody. It's a mess. I mean, you have little shouldn't be able to do things like that. And you can just, yeah. So, don't neglect your chimney. Call Honeydew Men, we'll take care of you.